हेलो बच्चों, आज की वीडियो में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज मैं आप सबके लिए एक न्यू पोएम लेकर आई हूँ, द जेंटल एलिफेंट। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। बिग एंड ग्रे विथ फ्लोफी ईयर्स, बिग एंड ग्रे विथ फ्लोफी ईयर्स, he walks so slow he has no fears, with a trunk that swings and feet so wide. He stomps along with steady stride. He loves to splash in puddles deep, and when he is tired, he goes to sleep. And when he's tired, he goes to sleep. He munches leaves from trees so tall. He munches leaves from trees so tall. He is the biggest of them all. He is the biggest of them all. He is kind and smart and strong as well, with stories only he could tell. So if you see him passing by, so if you see him passing by, just wave and shout a happy. Just wave and shout a happy. Thank you.